Hi Lan, happy birthday. Mag-blow me yung candle para ni Mulan ha. Happy 50th birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, God bless you. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
Okay, blow the candle for you. Okay. Okay, this is a cake for you, Lan. I hope you are happy where you are now. Sila pa, kung mag-edad na kuno taog 50, maalamon na kuno. So, I hope God will bless you more and add more days, weeks, months, and year. So, type mo ba yan na madungagan pa ka mga 40 years, 50 years? So, God bless you and happy birthday again.